Hello everyone, I'm Vinicius Ferrero. Welcome to our monthly update video on the Nuls ecosystem. December 2024 brought several updates and important announcements, raising high expectations for 2025. At the beginning of the month, Nuls announced on Twitter that it is reshaping the project's future, and a new journey is about to begin, generating quite a bit of hype. As I always say, Nuls is on its way to becoming a complete cross-chain ecosystem, with over 40 blockchains already interconnected. This opens doors to new users and markets, as each new integrated network means a new user base and expands Nuls' impact in the market. Another highly relevant point is the development of a digital identity platform based on artificial intelligence, as well as RWA, real-world assets. This offers new investment opportunities for the crypto audience and institutional investors, consolidating Nuls as a forward-thinking project. With this in mind, Nuls partnered with Nexera, a company specializing in RWA infrastructure. By leveraging Nuls' modular blockchain, this project can further expand investments and liquidity in the crypto market. On the Nuls Token platform, that is a crypto funding system, new integrations have been made, allowing you to stake Nuls and receive tokens from other projects in return, such as the CPRN token from the Captron DeFi project, that is a decentralized DEX, and the EGP token from the Eastigate Biotech project, focused on pharmaceutical solutions. One of the month's big highlights was the activation of an incentive pool with Bitcoin rewards. Now when staking Nuls, in addition to Nuls rewards, you also earn Bitcoin fractions. Personally, I have already received around $27 in Satoshis. Speaking of growth, the Nuls user base has also increased significantly. On December 13th, Nuls shared that there were 1,141 active wallets daily, but when I checked on December 28th, the number had jumped to over 4,500 wallets. A significant increase that fostered growth across the ecosystem. The Nuls Brazil community, in partnership with the BitNuke channel, organized a Christmas event full of prizes. During this event, we hosted 4 live streams with special guests, sharing lots of crypto market insights and rewarding all participants with Nuls and other prizes. All of this was managed using the Naybox ID tool for the giveaways. Thank you to everyone who participated. Now talking about the Naybox wallet, there were also some important updates. Its roadmap for 2025 focuses on improving existing tools, such as the Swapbox, browser wallet, mobile version, Paybox, Naybox ID, and new integrations. Speaking of integrations, new tokens were listed on Swapbox, such as Shikoku, Move, AI16Z, Blink, Drugs, and Grok AI. Additionally, the Naybox wallet integrated the DAOS Fund app and the Sonic blockchain. Liquidity was also added to Swapbox, including tokens like Ton and Pol, Scroll and USDT, Sol and Bonk or Blink, and even Bitcoin. Naybox Wallet now also allows you to purchase cryptocurrencies directly with your credit card, thanks to the integration of FatPay and OnRamp and Swapbox. While the fees may be slightly higher, the process is simplified for those looking to enter the crypto market with ease. We must also highlight Naybox ID, which has been instrumental in automating campaigns and giveaways, such as the Christmas event, other airdrops, and prize distributions in partnership with crypto projects. Naybox ID was also essential for rewarding participants in the Nuls Brazil Christmas event. Furthermore, Nerve Network, the cross-chain infrastructure connecting all these projects, continues to grow and bring new developments. Recently, Nerve announced integration with the EGP network, creating a bridge between the Nuls and EGP blockchains. There was also the integration of the Bitcoin L2 network called Turing Blockchain, which is super exciting. Nerve also added a new trading pair, the SCR token from the Scroll project and NVT. Additionally, a liquidity pair of NVT with the Ray token offered a 119% APR, an excellent earning opportunity. Speaking of earning opportunities, the Nerve network through its mint tool, launched a pool to mint the NVT token using the Kaya token. If you have Kaya in your wallet, hurry up now and earn some NVT. For those who haven't been following, it's worth keeping an eye on Nerve Network's social media, as this project regularly holds giveaways and promotions for the community. Finally, Nerve Network is now listed on DeFi Llama, enabling the monitoring of the BTC token on the Nerve Network. This indicates that liquidity and the use of cross-chain infrastructure tools are on the rise. This is an exciting time for the Nuls ecosystem, and 2025 promises to be even more eventful. And that's it for today's video. If you enjoyed the updates, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss upcoming videos. See you next time, bye bye.